everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be making those cheddar biscuits from Red Lobster. So come on with me, guys. Now, these cheddar biscuits are absolutely amazing. I can never get enough of them when I go to Red Lobster. So if you haven't tried them, you got to try this recipe. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So if you guys love cooking, and we're doing a lot of that for this holiday season, but we do it every day anyway for our families. So why not make a video and upload it? Make sure and use the hashtag Meals23, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Remember that Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I couldn't get over how easy it was to put this together. You got a few ingredients in the back of the box. You start your oven at 425 degrees, and 16 minutes later, 14 to 16, you have your cheddar biscuits, and they are absolutely amazing. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and do this process, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, now the cheddar biscuits came out of the oven, and I am using a fork to just take them out and place them right here on this plate. They look exactly like the picture on the box, and I usually can't do that, and I cannot wait to dig into these. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, aren't they delicious, guys? They just look absolutely amazing. And if you want, you can always pat some butter on top of the biscuits. I just chose not to do that. And also maybe even some extra cheese. Can't hurt any, right? I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you next Sunday for quick and easy meals. Amen.